YouTube, what's popping? You know that grind ain't stopping. Shout out to my notification gang. Don't forget to get that bell to ring, man. Hey man, today we gotta go to the mechanic shop, get my Buick checked out. So since I had the wheels on, I noticed that like my back brakes kind of started what's it called? Kind of like started rubbing a little bit. But I think it was like that before I even started, you know what I'm saying? Before I even put the wheels on. But now we kind of rubbing a little bit. It's grinding. Like even when I'm just cruising down the street, I can hear my it's like metal to metal. So we're gonna get it checked out, and then once we get to the mechanic shop, I'm going to Hot Auto. Shout out to them out here in San Diego, to my boy Matt. And then yeah, I'll let y'all know. I'll show you everything what's going on, and then yeah, we'll be back in the game. Y'all see me out here scrubbing. It ain't the rims either, so don't think it's the rims. They gonna get me right though. Out here at Hot Auto, my boy Matt right here.
That's the new side putting on it.
Oh yeah, we in there. And I did roll my fenders too. I couldn't get a video of it. So since the tire off, now we can get in there. Appreciate it. You want to shout your channel out, Matt?
What up?
You want to shout it out?
Wait, what's your channel again? It's
Car Reviews by
Car
KJ.
Reviews by AJ. Check them out.
Yes.
Canopy Productions.
Hey, he in there. I'll put you in the description. All right, y'all, we back. So they changed out the rear rotors and brake pads. These are my old brake pads. You see how this one pretty full. This one nice, but look at this one. Boy, I don't even know how I was alive. But they take me out. This one's straight still. See that paint from the calipers. The front and everything good, but the back one, you can't really tell, but it's like grinding down. It's real smooth. This one was still good, but I went ahead and replaced both of them. We don't want to be out here, you know what I'm saying, half doing the job. So I probably could have did this myself, but man, it's not even worth it. So we back in the game. Some new rotors. I was gonna get drilled and slotted rotors, but I guess we're gonna ride with these for a minute. What's going on, man? So we good now. Brakes and rotors. I gotta get some new shocks too, man. But yeah, man, be careful, man. You out here riding rims, price you gotta pay. But this was already done before I got the rims. Y'all seen I just got the rims not too long ago, so. And yeah, man, I shaved my face because I gotta go back to work. Yeah, in the Navy, man. Got to shave my face down a little bit, look presentable for my new command. And yeah, so yeah, we're about to get right back on the road. Get right back to floating on these 22s. And my man's here putting in. All right, guys, pulled over a little minute, man. So yeah, it's good now. We in the game. I test drove it, you know what I'm saying? Took it out for a little minute. Got on it, stopped a little bit to see if anything rubbing anything, and now when I ride, it's a lot smoother. So believe it or not, back brakes do help a lot. They help a whole lot, cause at first like I'll stop and then it'll be kind of like it'll take its time, but now with them back brakes on, yeah, I should have been upgraded my brakes. But yeah, man, today I'm gonna order the pulley. The pulley for my Supercharger, and then cause people think it's a game. I heard people think this Buick ain't putting in work, you know. Buick putting in work, man. Buick ready to play some games, you know what I'm saying. But yeah, so I'm gonna go home, order this pulley, and then when that thing come in, I'll put that in my next video. And for my Fox body, I just ordered a throttle body, so it's gonna be a video coming out on that for all my Mustang and Fox body fans. So yeah, man, y'all stick around. I appreciate y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and then we'll be back with another video and another video and another video. Yeah.